Prime Day 2025 is here, and the deals are hotter than ever. Want massive savings without the endless scrolling? We've ranked the top 20 must-buy products, from tech to home essentials. Let's count down the best steals now. Number 20. GoPro HERO 11 Black Action Camera. Now $299.99, down from $399.99. Capture epic 5.3K videos, 27MP shots, and enjoy built-in stabilization and waterproof design. Dual LCD screens make this GoPro ideal for action lovers and vloggers. Save $100 and upgrade your creative adventures instantly. Number 19. Nikon Z6 II Mirrorless Camera, Body. Now $1,596.95, formerly $1,996.95. Shoot crisp 24.5MP stills and 4K UHD video with dual processors. It's lightning fast and perfect for pros. Save $400 today and level up your photography game without draining your wallet. Number 18. Ninja FD 401/12-in-1 Deluxe XL 8QT Multi-Cooker. Now $149.99 was $249.99. This multi-cooker does it all. Pressure cooks, air fries, bakes, and more. With an 8-quart capacity, it's a family favorite. Save $100 now and make weeknight meals fast, flavorful, and effortless. Number 17. Instant Pot Pro Plus 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. Now $119.95, down from $169.99. With 10 functions including Wi-Fi control, this Instant Pot handles it all. Cook smarter with remote access. Save $50 and transform dinner time with this all-in-one smart kitchen essential. Number 16. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Stand Mixer. Now $299.99, once $449.99. Featuring a 325-watt motor and 10-speed controls, this stand mixer handles everything from dough to delicate whip. Save $150 now and bake like a pro with this legendary kitchen staple. Number 15. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum. Now $599.99, previously $749.99. Laser technology reveals hidden dust while adapting suction power for deep cleaning. With HEPA filtration, it's a must-have for allergy sufferers. Save $150 and make vacuuming feel futuristic and easy. Number 14. AAMZ Chef 8-in-1 Professional Blender. Now $129.99 was $199.99. Crush, blend, and puree with a powerful 1,800 window motor and stainless blades. This 68 Aussie blender is perfect for smoothies, soups, and nut butters. Save $70 now and energize your kitchen routine. Number 13. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Security Camera. Now $169.99, down from $249.99. Get 2K HDR video, color night vision, and wireless freedom. The built-in siren and floodlight secure your home instantly. Save $80 now and stay protected with high-end subscription-free security. Number 12. Sensar Ceramic Cookware Sets. $89.99 with $139.99. This 10-piece set features non-stick ceramic coating, heat-resistant handles, and induction compatibility. Cook safely and stylishly. Save $50 now and upgrade your cookware without sacrificing quality or aesthetics. Number 11. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Now $599.95, sue originally $749.95. Built-in grinder, 15-bar pressure, and steam wand give you true barista vibes at home. Save $150 now and make espresso shots, lattes, and cappuccinos like a pro every single morning. Number 10. Sony WE10XM5 Noise-Canceling Earbuds. Now $239.99, down from $299.99. Enjoy top-tier noise cancellation, 24-hour battery, and immersive LDAC audio. These lightweight buds are perfect for focus or travel. Save $60 now and lose yourself in crisp, quiet sound. Number 9. Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch M4 chip. Now $1,049.99 was $1,199.99. With Apple's blazing M4 chip, Retina display, and MagSafe charging, it's sleek and powerful. All-day battery makes it ideal for work or school. Save $150 now and upgrade to next-gen performance. Number 8. Bose Quiet Comfort 45 noise-canceling headphones. Now $149.99, previously $329. Enjoy 24 hours of listening, plush comfort, and powerful noise-canceling tech. Perfect for work, flights, or chill time. Save $179 now and experience world-class sound for a fraction of the price. Number 7. Sony Alpha A6000 400 mirrorless camera. Now $934.99, down from $999.99. Shoot! With a 24.2 MP sensor, 4K video, and real-time autofocus. Compact and reliable for vloggers or travelers. Save $65 now and capture stunning shots without bulky gear. Number 6. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 Wired. Now $179.99 was $249.99. Get head-to-toe video, 3D motion detection, and Alexa greetings for smarter home security. Save $70 now and monitor your front door like never before with radar precision and voice assistance. Number 5. Bedshore Queen Comforter Set. Now $39.99, down from $62.94. This 6-piece microfiber set includes comforter, shams, and decorative pillows. It's ultra soft and machine washable. Save $22.95 now and transform your bedroom's look on a budget. Number 4. iRobot Robora Q8 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. Now $419.99 with $659.99. With LiDAR, self-emptying base, and smart mopping, this robot handles daily messes for you. Save $240 now and enjoy hands-free cleaning with high suction power and precision mapping. Number 3. Sony A7i Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Now $2,398, down from $2,898. Capture stunning 33 MP stills and 4K 60p video with ultra-fast IAF. Articulating screen makes vlogging a breeze. Save $500 now and shoot like a seasoned professional. Number 2. New Wave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. Now $153.99. Originally $279.99. Air fry, broil, bake, or roast with 12 presets and a smart probe for accuracy. Save $126 now and bring versatility and health-conscious cooking into your kitchen today. Number 1. Samsung 65 QN90C Neo QLED 4K TV 2024. Now $1,499.99, down from $2,297.99. With Quantum HDR 144Hz refresh and immersive sound, this TV is perfect for gaming or movie nights. Save $798 now and upgrade your entertainment experience to cinematic brilliance. That wraps up our top 20 Prime Day deals. From home tech to pro cameras, these discounts are hard to beat. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in comments section below. Thank you.